The snow it fell, the land grew white. Bear was asleep night after night. The coldness crept throughout the dark. The land was still, quiet, and stark. Tiny footprints they could be seen. On fresh new snow someone had been. Out of the quiet came a small squeak. A shaky voice stood up to speak. To no one began a sound so sweet, a voice of love with no conceit. Come one, come all, come hear my song about a place to belong. For many a moon our land lay dark. Not one of us stirred, not one left a mark. The time has come for all to rise, to bring your gift, to open your eyes. Gather around, the time is right, to celebrate Winter Solstice night. That one small voice, it could be heard. Across the land, the words prospered, till out of night, through brush and trees, came one by one the families. That snow it fell, that land grew white. Those animals danced in the bright moonlight.